Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add text into your videos on CapCut PC. Just go to the text section here and add in your default text, and here you can type in your text here. You can also change the font here as well. You can change the color of it. You can make it bolder, underline it, etc. You can use preset styles as well. You can scale it up, scale it down. You can add an outline to it if you'd like to. You can add in a background as well if you'd like to here. You can round it out as well. Change the height of it and the width. You can add in a glow to your text as well. There's a lot of options here that you can choose from. Or you can even use text templates. You can use text effects as well that they have here. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.